Tonight, a patient at a local hospital dies just days after testing positive for a bacterial disease.
It all happened in May. Tonight, we went to the hospital to talk to doctors and staff about how it happened and what they've done to prevent it from spreading.
Eyewitness News reporter Jennifer Mobilia has the answers for us now from Kent Hospital in Warwick now.
Health officials are still trying to determine exactly how this woman contracted the disease and if it's related to the Legionella bacteria that was discovered in some ice machines here at Kent Hospital. Officials here at Kent Hospital say one of their patients contracted Legionnaire's disease, becoming the hospital's first hospital-acquired case in its history.
As we are required to do, any positive case is then reported directly to the Department of Health, and we did that and have worked with them closely.
Hospital officials say the patient was a very sick elderly woman who died after testing positive for the disease. It's important to note that woman's exact cause of death has not yet been determined. Doctors say typically only a small percentage of people actually die from Legionnaires.
With adequate treatment, a normal healthy person suffers a very small risk, 3 to 5%. As you get sicker and sicker, death, more lung disease, your chance of dying is much greater.
Hospital officials say following the patient's diagnosis, the Legionella bacteria was discovered in 4 of its 24 ice machines, nowhere else in the hospital.
We made sure our ventilation systems weren't creating a mist that someone would breathe in. We looked at all the water sources in the hospital.
Dr. Lowe says while it's not impossible for an ice machine to have been the source, he says it's highly unlikely because the bacteria usually has to be breathed in through a mist.
You normally would not contract Legionella from an ice machine. And here's where it gets a little complicated. If a very sick person had water with ice in it and they aspirated that water with ice in it with a Legionella, that is a conceivable way.
All of those ice machines have since been cleaned, and there have been no other reported cases of Legionnaires at Kent Hospital. Hospital officials say it's unlikely they will ever determine exactly how this woman contracted the disease. However, they say they will continue to monitor the hospital as they've done in the past. With a mobile newsroom, I'm Jennifer Mobilia, Eyewitness News.